Okay, welcome back. So today I'm going to clean up these headlights. These are from a Porsche 996.1, 1999 to 2001. Also the Porsche Boxster 986. A couple of different cars there. Porsche made cross-platform headlights. Anyway, I've had these sitting in my garage for like 2 years. They've been taking up this whole side of my workbench. And the reason I did it was because these lenses they got burnt. It's a common problem on Porsches. The housing of the bulbs, the halogen bulbs in here, they burn the headlights, and you end up with that marking. So I decided I was going to fix them up. I bought a kit from online. I forget the name of the place, but I'll put it in the description. And they gave me the projectors. They gave me the Panamera shrouds that they have the LED daytime running lights. And of course I put them in the oven, took them apart, and have them ready to go. Now I just need to wire them all up, test them out, and I'm probably going to sell them because I have no use for them. This was for a 996 that we had. Of course it had the burnt headlights. We bought replacement ones, OEM looking ones. And yeah, I decided with the old lights I'd do this because these were useless. Yeah, there's both of them actually. Anyway, yeah, let's get this thing put back together and hopefully I can hook it up to a 12 volt and test it. Okay, so I just figured out the wiring here. I'm going to finish this one. The other one's already done. Need to stick the little controller inside here, wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Some double-sided tape. Stick that in there out of the way. Now we got to hook in the high beam harness. It bypasses the high beams because that has a little switch in it to switch the outputs. This is the high beam here on this Porsche. So this was the DRLs. It hooks in. It also hooks into the high beam harness. High beams are hooked up. The bypass, I guess it should be. And we still have, this is for the main. I've drilled a hole into this backing plate that goes on here. So these go into the main headlights or the low beams. That's that. So that's the low beams taken care of. And this goes obviously onto the bulb. Just like that. All those wires tuck right in there. That's it. Now I'll hook up this last, the ballast here and let you guys see what it looks like. First we have the LED shroud here. Looks pretty decent. This next one, you won't see any light, but it switches from the high beam to the low beam, but the low beam has to be on, but we'll hook up multiple wires, but I'm not doing that right now. You can hear it switching over there. And the last one here, this will fire up the ballast and the low beam, or the main light, I guess I should say. Okay, so now I'm going to just give this a clean and put it all back together. Okay, so here they are, 98% done, 95% done. I'm gonna just do a lens restoration on it so I can get rid of all that haze off of it. And I'm going to seal it, seal the lens back on. I haven't sealed it yet, but yeah, it's all set. Everything's hooked up. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. These will be online at some point. If anyone's interested, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna sell them. The kit alone was $500-600 just for the LED and the HID kit. And of course the lenses, so I don't know, $800-900 Canadian, something like that. I like the look of it. I like it when you look from back here, you have those four. Also, one other thing I did take out this right here. This sits at the bottom to give it an amber flasher. So I'm just going to replace the bulb in there with an amber one. It just looks better than having this orange thing sticking behind it. It doesn't look good. especially on these gens. So yeah, that's out. When I seal it back up, those won't be in there. I'll put them in the box in case anyone wants them. But yeah, other than that, I'll put an orange bulb in, and yeah, it's just hook them up and enjoy them.